Hey guys, this is Steve with the Scroll Saw Workshop. Just wanted to show you something I put in my shop this week that I kind of like. I live in a house that has a half finished basement and half unfinished basement, and my workshop is currently in the unfinished half of the basement, which does not have plumbing for a sink. And I didn't want to spend the money to hire a plumber and make all that happen, so I thought I would give this little SereneLife camping sink a try. I have a full bathroom in the unfinished half of the basement, but I noticed that as I would take in my paintbrushes to clean them out and different parts that I would be trying to clean, I was really kind of making a mess in there, and I didn't want to do that in a brand new home, so I thought I'd give this sink a try. They make a couple different sizes of these little portable camping sinks, and this is the smaller version. And probably, if I had it to do over again, I would go with the larger one. This one is right around $90, and the larger one's closer to $150. But the extra room when I was cleaning out or cleaning parts or cleaning out my paint reservoir or something like that would probably be pretty handy. So I may eventually sell this one or give it away and go with the larger one. But so far, this one's actually working pretty well. Let me jump in here and show you some of the features. The base of the sink holds 5 gallons of water, and you take this little cap off right here and use a garden hose outside to fill it up. And it's quite a bit of water. This is the foot pump. It is a pump activated sink, and this is the pump that you push to make it work. And here's the carrying handle. It does have wheels on it, but the handle doesn't make it very convenient to use the wheels. But it's fairly easy to move even with the 5 gallons in it. Now I'll show you the foot pump in action. You get a pretty good stream of water for just one pump, but of course you can pump it back and forth. Yeah, the sink also has a built-in soap reservoir, and the way they do it is the whole top of the sink is hollow and you fill it full of soap. It also has a little handy towel holder here on the back. It's just a little pivot arm that you can pivot back and forth. It's not really long enough to put paper towels on, so I just hang a shop rag on it. Works okay. One thing that was a little bit disappointing is it did not come with a drain plug, so I just made up a little wooden dowel with a rubber band on it to plug it until I can get something that will work a little better. And you can see you can fill the sink up. It'd probably be about 15 pumps, 20 pumps to get it really full. I never worry about getting that full. I just fill up probably the bottom quarter of it, which is enough to, wash out my paint tray or just wash off my hands. So it works okay, but it should have come with a drain plug. You need a bucket to drain the sink into, and it does not come with a bucket. So I picked this one up at Menards, and I found one with a fairly tight little lid, and just cut a 1 1/4 inch hole in it for the drain hose. And you just take it outside and empty it when it's full. This is definitely not a replacement for a nice large sink, but for cleaning out paint trays and paint brushes and just getting your hands clean or getting a shop cloth or some paper towels wet, it really does do a pretty good job. The foot pump is just strong enough that you get enough water out of it in one pump to at least get your hands wet and wash them off. So it's not perfect, but it's not bad either. Again, I probably would go with the bigger one, and I also may consider ordering a little electric pump and playing around with adding an electric pump to it, just see how that would work. But we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being here with me at the Scroll Saw Workshop. Catch you next time.